Hey guys, so if you missed my posts on Instagram, I basically just kind of shared what's been going on in our life since moving to Florida and why I've been so absent from social media. And basically, I don't even like talking about it. My son and I have been on the receiving end of some pretty concerning racism, and it's something that I haven't ever experienced to this degree. You know, the people obviously don't want to wait on me, so when I go up and ask for help, I'm not treated very well. I haven't felt safe as a woman. I go on daily walks and I've just been harassed. On this last walk, I was followed by 3 men in a van, and they were just harassing me and wouldn't leave me alone, and I was really scared because I was by myself. So I had called my husband in a panic, and he got to me very quickly. My son is being mistreated because of the color of his skin. It's just something like I wasn't prepared for. So we are going to be making the move back to Colorado. So this whole thing has been very exhausting for all of us. My children are exhausted, and you know, a lot's going through my mind. I feel guilty for bringing my kids here. But we are going to head back to Colorado within the next 2 months. And I know everything will work out. I know all of Florida isn't like this, and not everybody in Florida acts like this. So I just want to put that out there. Like, I know Florida is a beautiful place and has a lot to offer. But for me and my family, the best thing for us is going to be to go back to Colorado. So thank you guys for all of your love and support. I love you guys.